La mamá de unos alumnos de San Fermín y Castoa, y estoy aquí para hacer un poco de traducción para los de Amberes y bueno, pues eso es lo que me han dado y empiezo. La Scholen Gemeinschaft Basis Onderricht Antigón es una comunidad de 18 colegios del distrito Go de Amberes, de Bélgica, que trabaja para ofrecer excelencia tanto en enseñanza como en aprendizaje. Los centros están fundamentalmente en la ciudad de Amberes. Los tutores y la administración trabajan en un entorno metropolitano que ha cambiado muchísimo en los últimos años. Educaron a los niños para que sean comprometidos socialmente, tolerantes, que cuiden del medio ambiente y que tengan una apreciación amplia de la cultura, tanto en un contexto local como internacional. El reto es ofrecer una educación de alto nivel de una manera innovadora y auténtica a un grupo de alumnos muy diversos. Este requiere un enfoque innovador y la palabra universal. Y os presento Rudy Menens. Y Rudy ha dedicado su carrera entera a la educación primaria en la comunidad flamenca de Go Educación. Ha sido directora de escuelas de primaria durante 15 años. Tiene un certificado de consejero pedagógico y tiene 7 años de experiencia como director, coordinador de una comunidad de escuelas de primaria y 3 años de experiencia como mentor de nuevas directoras de educación primaria durante su formación. Y ya está.
Thank you. I'm not trained Spanish because the only thing I know is Lo cerveza por favor. When I'm thirsty, it's good for me. Welcome. First thing I'm going to show, we have a school in Belgium, in Antwerp, and that's a school from about 400 students. That's our website, just to show. We're in that case a special school because we learn a lot about competences. We do all the competences in our lessons from children from 2.5 years till 12 years.
Vale. A ver, este grupo de tutores trabaja en un centro de primaria, niños desde 2 años y medio hasta 12 años, y están ahí 400 alumnos y trabajan mucho el tema de competencias de todas las competencias.
For the rest, that's my normal outfit. I wear
Eso es lo que llevo
always.
normalmente.
Yeah, sorry. What we do in our school is we work a lot about with techniques. We learn to program children from 2.5 years to work with robots, to work with all those things. I'm going to tell a little bit about that, then you're going to see a movie, and then we're going to do, you can try it. We try to, we have put them in Spanish, maybe it's easier to understand than Dutch or
donde trabajan en el centro ponen mucho énfasis sobre la tecnología y empiezan con 2 años y medio con ordenadores, programación, robots y eso es como el énfasis del centro. Y luego Ruri va a hablar un poco sobre este tema. Hay una película, no sé, 4 horas, y luego podemos probar todo que tienen ahí y está todo más o menos en castellano. En euskera.
We don't only work on techniques, we have also animals at school, they are real. There are animals in the school, yeah. And for the rest, I have wonderful teachers. And I can think and I can do things, but without teachers, I'm nothing. And we have 30 teachers. Most of them are female. I have 2 or 3 male teachers. What is there? Is Dave and Kelly. There are 2 teachers from the 5th class, and they're going to help you with those things. What we do with the children is in all our lessons, we use this stuff, these robots. It can be in language, mathematics, history. We just call it and we try it. And we're just do an effort to buy other things that the children can learn about it, because that's the future, I think, in Europe and in Belgium.
No solo hay robots, pero también hay animales que tienen en la escuela. Y dice que bueno, los robots, los animales, pero también los profesores, los clases son importantísimos. Tienen un equipo de más o menos 30 personas, la mayoría mujeres. Hay dos hombres, 2 chicos, pero la mayoría de los demás son mujeres. Y aquí tenemos a Dave y Kelly, y están profesores de 5º de primaria, y bueno, ellos también van a explicar un poco. ¿Y qué más? Oh, y los robots, eso es. Es que se usan ahí en el centro los robots para hacer todo, o sea, para enseñar todo, historia, matemática, cosas así. Y ayudan mucho porque eso realmente es el futuro, no solo en Bélgica, pero en Europa.
Okay, then we're gonna see a little movie.
Okay, película, cine.
Just the children has programmed that robot, that thing can talk, that can conversate with the other one, that can do everything.
Los cines han programado todo, los robots hablan con otros robots, una pasada.
Sometimes it goes wrong.
Y a veces no va bien, pero bueno, están aprendiendo.
That's the same, they start with the yellow one is the B-bot, like B. That's for the very little one, they learn to program with that. Then is the other step with the shiny thing, and that they can program.
Empiezan con programming, con la abeja y luego con este azul. Así aprenden, eso es como principio.
But you will see in the movie sometimes the children help a little bit.
A veces hay algunos.
Sometimes it goes wrong.
It's a learning process.
Sí, es que están aprendiendo siempre. Bueno, igual si hay errores.
Helping hands.
Esa. Por ejemplo.
Because now they have to calculate what the robot is going to do, how he's driving.
Están calculando la dirección, la distancia, todo eso para que llegue a...
Yeah.
Bueno,
We first exercise with these ones. For instance, they must send the robot to the letter T or so, and that has to do. And that's for exercise much easier than what they are doing.
empiezan así, que mandan a las letras, por ejemplo, la T o lo que sea, y luego...
We also work a lot with iPads. In this one, that's they own a pizza bakery. They all know that they must bake a pizza in a fast time, and afterwards they must bake. And the machine said it's okay or not. You can try it by yourselves.
Luego a esto es que los críos tienen una pizzería, ¿no? Que tienen que hacer y vender una pizza cada día. Y manda un poco, es como un juego. Que...
I think he's open.
So now they have to flip it and they have to pay. So they have to calculate how much money they have to give, how much money they have to get
It
back.
can be very easy. So only 20 euros that's giving money back. So
Sí, es que tienen que hacer cambios, es que así trabajan con números, con sumando y hay niveles, o sea, hay muy fácil y luego más complicado. Excellent.
and this is more mathematics, diagrams. And this is the easy version, the easy parts. You get three parts: you get easy, medium, and difficult. And here the colors are already shown on the iPad. But then you got the black version with the lines, and you got only the black version. And then you must lay the diagram pieces in front of the iPads, and he recognizes like over there.
Sí, esos son tangrams, sí, son estos otros no. Y eso es que hacen haciendo los diseños, los dibujos, igual que en el iPad.
That's for reading, that's playing with letters. You can do it in all languages.
Sí, eso es leer, practicando con letras.
They have to find the words.
This is the
Like
button.
they have a picture and then they have to be fast enough to use the letters in the front of the camera and then
Sí,
the faster you are, the more.
sí, hacer la palabra con la foto y vas más rápido, más rápido.
Yeah, that are children of the 5th class. You see they are also multicultural.
Es un grupo muy
It is
diverso.
like everywhere. Okay. If you have no questions
For the teacher.
for the teachers or for me, then we can start by trying. I think that's the best one to learn. We always do that at school because we don't like to talk too much and listen too much, because for a teacher that's very difficult.
Si hay algunas preguntas.
Is it a public school?
What's it?
Your
The school is a private school.
private?
No, it's from the government. We get paid from the government, that's why we are so rich. It's everywhere the same, we have also no money, but we try to search it. But it's not private. In Belgium we have less, no private schools, few.
Es un centro público. En Bélgica hay muy pocos centros privados.
You have schools for the government, you have schools from the city, and the Catholic schools.
Yeah.
Más o menos.
And you say it's a community.
Yeah, we have a community of 30 schools around Antwerp.
Okay.
It's a very big one. I think we have 13,000 students.
Hay 13.000 alumnos en total en el distrito de Amberes.
But every school is on its own, And I coordinate some things, but normally we can do as school what we want, if it's good for the inspection, of course.
Yeah. I will tell something. This is Bebots, and yeah, we come to try. It's we start with this, and my colleague of the kindergarten do this with 2.5 years.
Empiezan con esto con 2 años y medio.
They
Infantil.
with step by step, and she said, "Now this is maybe a little bit complicated, but for children, when you start here, you must go over there. What is the movements?" She said, "Oh yeah, people must go one place in front." And then they do that step by step. And afterwards, when you get older, you can program 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps.
Sí, es que con el Viva, con la Béjica, es que va poco a poco con 2 años y medio, igual empezamos con fe y vamos a P. Es un paso, ¿no? Y luego igual, bueno, no sé cuándo, pero empiezan con 2 pasos, 3 pasos y así van poco a poco con el
Yeah, you also go left, right.
Yeah.
Sí, arriba, abajo, derecha, izquierda.
You can make him dance.
Yeah.
Baile también, baila.
The little ones use these cards to go forwards or backwards, left, right, so they can put the cards in front of them and then they program the Bebot. And when they're older, they have to do it here. No cards. Then it's like here.
But in the first time they learn to calculate them.
Sí, empiezan con tarjetas que dicen abajo, arriba, izquierda, derecha y luego todo mental en la cabeza. Pero para empezar, con 2 años y medio, empiezan así con tarjetas para arriba.
And the easy one about this is you can change everything. It's empty plastic, and you get the.
Sí, se puede cambiar en un momento, pues que es muy fácil sacar y cambiar las tarjetas.
And we use it for mathematics, for language, for French, Belgian,
Sí, con francés, matemáticas,
everything.
lenguaje, todo.
It's possible that it doesn't work properly now because we have to fold it to get it in the luggage. And there's a little bumps. And sometimes then the robot stops.
No sé si va a funcionar perfectamente porque para meter en la maleta han tenido que doblar bien el plástico y hay como unos parches, pero a ver si funciona.
Yeah, but then do like the children.
Y si no, pues es como los niños. Ayúdale un poco.
This is the follow-up of him. Is the Bluebots, and he works on Bluetooth together with an iPad. So if I can put him here, I can make on my iPads. I can make the programming, and then I send it to him, and he will make it. So it's a step further. It's not. You don't have to use this. It's also possible. I can use this one like that one. Color is not.
Eso es la segunda etapa, Bluebot, ahí, y después de la beca trabajan los críos con el Bluebot, que es un poco más avanzado.
I will give a little demonstration. First, you have to press the X to erase everything because it has a memory.
Tiene memoria.
And go comes per little one. Every step is slow. He's arrived.
Pues éxito.
So we have little cards with a question, and then they have to search the answer. And when the Bebot goes, boop, 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 and it's not the correct one, they have to do it again.
Los críos tienen tarjetas con una pregunta y tienen que llegar a la respuesta programando el Bebot. Y bueno, si sale bien, y si no, tienen que rehacerlo.
And this is one of the latest ones, little bits, and we haven't used it yet because I did it 1 week before we came here, so I did it, and I used it by my son at home. And this is our problem solving. When I enter the door, the light must go on or something, and they can rebuild with small parts of it. They can build everything. It's clickable, it's magnetic.
Eso es nuevo. Ha llegado hace una semana y todavía no le han probado en el centro, pero en casa con su hijo funciona.
So,
Y es para resolver problemas.
so you can get this as a slider, you can part soft. There's something with a ventilator, lights,
Sí.
chopper, so a little, yeah, it's all in box, so you
Es como
can
que
see.
tiene muchas partes como un helicóptero.
So nature can everything. It's very fun. My son he loved it, and I did a training with. I said, Kilian, it's my son. I want you to build. When I push the button, the light must go on. And he took everything and he put it together. He never had done it, so and yeah, you can check it if it works, yes or no, immediately.
Es muy intuitiva para decir algo. Su hijo en casa ya puede entender y apagar la luz. Él solo haciendo, el mismo hijo con este aparato.
That's also what we do in our classrooms with our children. We just give them an iPad, a game, and just go for it. And even we are surprised every time they find something new that also we don't know.
Es el método que realmente usan mucho en el colegio. En vez de hablar y dar instrucciones, es que simplemente iPad, juego. Y los críos, entre ellos o ellos solos, entienden y aprenden y llegan a la meta que tienen, sin realmente ninguna reflexión de
Because we're teachers, but we don't know everything. They also can teach us a lot.
Yeah, and the nicest thing is children must put information in it, otherwise it doesn't work.
Ya, sí, es que con los juegos y el iPad, los críos no están solo recibiendo información, pero tienen que hacer un input a la máquina o al aparato, al iPad, que pues es muy interactivo y así aprenden.
Dash and Dot, we don't have Dot. Dot is the little one. This is programming, really programming. From going forward, backwards, turn left, turn right. It's the further version of this one. Here you can really program everything. Now it is in Dutch.
Also
I will
making
send it to
noise, change color, turn faces.
Last year, we at the end of the school, we got 4 of them. And 4 children, a group of children, made them dance. So
Yeah.
two robots were programmed in front, and 2 were in the reversible, the backwards version. They were dancing together, all 4.
Yes,
Sí,
our 4 robots, so very, very good.
And what age is that? What age were the kids that did the programming?
Dash.
Dash.
No,
Age,
11. Bueno, al fin del curso del año pasado, en mayo,
Sorry, they have to go.
I'm going to send you lots of stuff tomorrow.
Okay. Sorry.
Love you too.
You have to take their flights. 2 in 1. First to Madrid.
Yes, sorry. In the project we made new friends. So
no sé. Bueno, vale, al fin del curso del año pasado, en junio, hicieron un proyecto, los críos de 10, 11 años, y para hacer bailar 4, o sea, como 2 parejas de robots. Y la verdad es que fue bastante, es que pueden cambiar de color, las luces, hacen ruidos, pues eso es bastante más complejo que los
I programmed something. No, it's gone. something very fast. But the children are very good in this.
Yes, better than us. Because sometimes adult people, they're blocked, like when doing it the right way, children are just free and whatever.
Y los niños que van a su aire no están tan bloqueados como nosotros a veces.
Yeah.
And we need the iPad to program or
Yes.
other.
It is not, yeah.
You need an iPad.
We need iPad. So I built
This one
some.
you don't, but that should do.
I built some.
It's installed with a computer, possible.
No. No. With your smartphone, it's also possible.
Yes, it's with Bluetooth.
So sometimes the iPads we got at school we got 36 at the moment. iPads? No, not really. No. We got 36, I think.
Tienen 36 iPads.
And it's cool. But sometimes I take one with me at home, and I just use my cell phone to program or to test.
Sí, se puede usar una móvil también.
So now I programmed something to repeat now. It's going to make everything the same. 8 times.
Está repitiendo.
Good morning.
It's time.
No. 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes, no
No,
more.
we make 10.
10 minutes.
So I think, come and see,
Yes,
try,
see,
and ask questions. I will put this in Spanish.
This way.
Voilà.
Bueno, hay que probar y ver